Hi, I wanted to make a stall video. So, in this video, I'm just gonna show you where my horse lives, his stall, how big it is. So I walk up to him, I say, "Chuck!" and he looks, hamburgers. This is my stall, stall 70, right across from the good old 69. His stall has Major Draymond, and I made that. They have 10 by 10 stalls, I believe. He has 2 water buckets, a pink one and a green one, and they're always filled. Got 2 little tack boxes in the back, and he's got a corner feed bucket. Usually food, lick it, but he learned how to eat them. And in these, there's nothing special. Yes, the animal did that. You little beaver. The beaver's freaking taking his teeth like a beaver and chucking on wood. And then in here, I don't use these, and this looks really dirty, but these are electrolytes, and you can't. Naughty little boy today. Freaking tried bucking me off today. 'Cause you're excited. Yeah. Alright. And then we got shaving. Oh no. It spilled the water on me. Okay, well, that is my stall tour. Thank you.